Guys, I just had a meeting and it went so well. It's a big meeting. It's so exciting. Yeah, I'm really excited. So it's ready. Let it cool down for a couple of minutes. I sent a couple of emails. After which, of course, I said to myself, relax. I need to rest. Then I sent a couple of emails. After which, of course, I said to myself, relax. If it hasn't come across as obvious to you already, I'm very passionate about plant-based nutrition. I really love plants. Wow.
1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shine bright above.
That is my tofu
Friday
scramble.
morning.
Stars shining bright above. Sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer. Breeze seem to. Breezes seem to whisper.
Garlic, your seasoning. It's all about the seasoning, guys. It's always all about the seasoning. Obviously, I'm not claiming to hold all the answers, but I would love to share the few that I do have through recipes and cooking and trying out new things and just sharing my love with the rest of the world. With that being said, I also want to help break that glass ceiling that I think is over South Africa when it comes to I've been sending emails, guys. Wow. Anyway, after I do that, I'm gonna do my nails because, as you can see, this one broke. Rude. This one broke, and I need to paint them, really. So that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of vandaag, and then I'm gonna go to Eastgate. Yeah. You guys should really fold your clothes as you take them off the line. It really helps you with saving time because, wow. Now I'm tired of having to fold things every 2 minutes. Like, when you put them shrabene in the basket, it takes so much longer. It's so much of a longer process, honestly. You see? Yeah, all of this is folded. All I have to do is to like organize it in its pile. And then I decided to eat a snack because I need to rest. Relax. Relax.
And will change your life. Distance education for any and every student.
Let's check on the potatoes now. So. Next, let's hope I don't burn my eyes. So there's this, and there's this orange thing, which I think is a pen. Just an update, guys. My eyes are burning. Wow. Beauty's pain. Beauty's pain. My eyes are seriously burning. I've been trying like to fan them. It's pretty full on this side. I need to put it at the end and then the front and then the side. It's been burning like for too long. I think there's something I'm doing wrong. Anyway, we can do this, man.
She just wants to be beautiful. She goes unnoticed. She knows.
Okay, the lighting is not as great. Hold on. Let me just do something quickly. Okay, I'm done with the eyelashes. I did not put on a lot. Yo, my hair looks crazy. But anyway, I didn't put on a lot because I don't like it when it looks just heavy, you know. And like putting on some mascara in the front can really help. But otherwise, yeah, thank you. Anyway, but otherwise, I think I could put on more, honestly, especially in the front. But I don't know if I want to do that. I think I'm fine with them like this. Honestly, I think I'm fine. I don't think I want to put on more. Yeah, I think they're fine. I think they're pretty, actually. Yeah, I'm done. I'm now going to wash my face, and I'm trying to think I should have washed my face first. But anyway, right. I just came back from the bath, from the shower. Anyway, and I'm just gonna go on a walk. I'm gonna get dressed and go on a walk because I didn't go on my daily walk today, and I just want to go out. I don't know. But since this is in a weird moody, and also I want to go on a walk, so I might as well, you know. I was gonna talk to her, but now that those plans have gone to shit, gone to the dump, yeah. But I'm gonna try and talk to her when she comes back. Anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna go on a walk. I was gonna talk to my sister, but she's not in a. Let's just say she's not in a talking mood. Okay, so I'm just gonna try to talk to her when I come back from my walk. I'm sure some time will help. You know, I also need to go on a walk anyway, so I might as well use this opportunity before I have my lesson at 6:30. So bye. 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 Guys, I just had a meeting and it went so well. It's a meeting. It's so exciting. Yo, God is good. Yo, God, thank you so much. Like, wow, it went so well. It was just this guy. His name was Ewan. And I was a bit nervous because I'm like, but it actually went well, and the conversation was very productive. It didn't take long either. How long did it take? Let me see. Just put my phone down. I just had a work meeting and it went so well. As you can see, my hair's on a bun, just look professional and so forth. But I was thinking I should have had it down a little bit, you know, just to. But it went really well. Yeah, I'm really excited. Bucket, we have moringa powder, as you can see, and I'm gonna try it today. Making a cup of tea. I also added some rooibos just to make it taste a little bit perfumey, just in case it's nasty. But it's not nasty, it smells bad though. Here goes nothing. I don't know if it's supposed to float the way it's floating, but I don't know, it tastes like grass. It seriously tastes like grass. It's not the vegan jokes. Cured vegan jokes here, thanks. It tastes like I'm eating grass, honestly. Anyway.
Moringa tasting.
Let me taste it for the last time, just so I can give it a chance.
Oh God. Never that.
It's
I'm
thick.
not running away. I'm just sorting myself some tea because my last meeting is at 4. So I've not had tea because today's been a busy day.
Do you clean? So it's ready.
I've got